In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subscribers in Klaviyo. Deleting a subscriber, or more precisely, deleting a profile in Klaviyo, is a permanent action that removes the contact's data from your account. Use it when you truly need to erase a record, such as a verified data deletion request. If you only want to stop sending, consider suppressing or unsubscribing instead. Start by opening your Klaviyo account and landing on the home dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in as a user with permission to manage profiles. From the left-hand navigation, open the Audience section. This is where you manage lists, segments, and everyone in your database. Next, choose Profiles. You'll see a searchable, filterable view of your contacts. Use the search bar to find the person you want to remove. You can search by email address, name, or other identifiers your team uses. Double-check that you've selected the right profile. Look at recent activity or list membership if you need confirmation. When you're sure, click the profile to open its details page. On the profile page, look for the Profile Actions menu, typically near the top right. Click it to reveal administrative options for this contact. Select Delete Profile. Klaviyo will show a confirmation prompt so you can review your choice. Read the message carefully, because deletion can't be undone and will remove this person's data from your account's reporting and audience views. To proceed, click Delete Profile again to confirm. After the confirmation, the profile is removed. If you try searching again, you won't find it in your profiles view. If the person signs up again in the future, they may be added as a new profile, starting fresh from that point onward. Before you delete, here are a few tips. Make sure you've met any internal data retention or legal requirements, capture any metrics you need for reporting, and coordinate with teammates so automations or audiences that relied on this profile are updated. If you're cleaning up multiple contacts, repeat the same process for each profile, taking care to confirm identity every time. That's the whole workflow. Open audience, go to profiles, search and open the contact, use profile actions, and confirm delete profile. Take your time with the confirmation step, and when in doubt, choose suppression over deletion to preserve history while stopping sends. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Klaviyo audience confidently and responsibly.